In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get brands contact you, maybe if there is promotions in which they want you to do or sponsorship deals in which they want you to do. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can create a media kit. A media kit is just all about your channel analytics, how much you charge per sponsorship or promotion, and a whole lot. And YouTube actually makes it easier for anyone to be able to create a media kit, and I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create this media kit that's like a portfolio of your channel for sponsors to be able to know how well your channel is actually doing before they can be able to give a sponsorship deal or a promotion to a YouTuber. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So one of the first things which we want to do is that I'll be showing you two ways in which you can be able to create a media kit. As I said, a media kit is like a portfolio of your YouTube channel, your channel analytics, and every other things in which your channel is based on, and how well your channel is actually doing. And that alone helps sponsors to be able to reach out to you and be able to give any sponsorship deals. And I got contacted by some sponsors, some people telling me to be able to do some promotion for them, and first thing which they asked me was my media kit. And that shows the importance of a media kit, because the media kit is like a CV, what you present to be able to get a job. That is how I'll explain the media kit. So it's like a portfolio of your YouTube channel, your analytics, and everything that has to do with your channel, and how much you'll be charging for each sponsorship deals or promotion. That's what the media kit is all about. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create a media kit. YouTube actually makes it more easier for anyone to be able to get a media kit of his or her channel. So
one thing you need to know is that it's only monetized channels that get media kits, because that's the only channel that can be able to get offers and sponsorship deals from YouTube. Now, first thing which you need to do is to come to monetization. Once you come to monetization, you come to Brands Connect. That's where you're going to see the media kit, and already YouTube creates media kit for every monetized channel. So once you come to Brand Connect, this is how it looks like. It brings out this interface, then you activate your particular profile as long as your channel is monetized. Interface explain everything about your media kit to that's what your channel is simply all about. Now the next thing which we want to do is to view the media kit of this YouTube channel for us to see how it looks. So you come to view media kit at this place. Once you click it, this is how this particular channel looks like. You can see subscribers, video published, unique views, and everything. You can see the region, the geography, the age group, audience, shares and retention, and all that, genders, value, and a whole lot of things on this particular graph. This is just like a CV, what your channel is all about, how well your channel is actually doing every year, and how well it's doing till date. This is the last 60 days shopping interest and a whole lot. So this particular media kit explains everything about your channel. It also gives the sponsors full insight, full understanding, and you can also see the geography, that's the country, United States, and other things. So depending on the kind of art in which they want to do, they look at the locations in which you get more views to be able to know if their product or whatsoever in which they want you to sponsor, if it suits what they actually want. So this is how the media kit looks like. And now you can actually print out this media kit as a copy or on a PDF format, so that anyone that contacts you through your email, you can be able to send them your media kit. And you can also come to set price, business email, set up these things before going through your media kit. It's very important to set an email.
So now, after creating your media kit, and another thing which you have to do is to be able to create a means in which sponsors can contact you. I see a whole lot of people, once they create their channel, they just leave it. At times it's quite difficult for sponsors or people to be able to contact them. Maybe if there's any question or something they want to ask them, they find it difficult being able to contact them, so they have to go through their social media platform. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you another way in which is for you to be able to get sponsors to contact you directly, and the easiest way to do that.
The best and the most easiest way to get sponsors is to come to your YouTube channel and come to customization. That's where you're going to do something, put an email on your YouTube channel, which makes it easier for sponsors or anyone to be able to contact you. And this email shouldn't be the same email in which you're using creating your YouTube channel. You need to create a separate email for your YouTube business for sponsors, just in case someone wants to connect you to a sponsorship deals or what. You can see this is my particular email in which I'm using, so people can send me email to this email address and I will just send them a copy of my media kit. This is another way to connect people, because some people might not want to connect with you through the YouTube interface. They might just want to send you an email to be able to greet you directly on as a person on a one-on-one interaction. So putting an email on your description also helps your channel to be able to get good contact, make people to be able to contact you without stress. So this is one way. Now let's view this on my YouTube channel to actually see how the email on the description looks like. This is my YouTube channel, this particular channel in which I'm talking of. You can see how the email, this is the description, this is how the email looks like. So anyone that come across my YouTube channel and goes to the description, you just see my email. This part is very easy and very convenient for anyone that wants to. Once your YouTube channel start doing well, people are going to be contacting you. I've got brands sending me emails and is actually working for me because I put my email address on my YouTube channel and people are able to contact me. Also maybe someone that wants a collaboration, that wants to ask questions or whatsoever on how to grow their YouTube channel. So it helps.
So if you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel.